Welcome to our roundup of the best rain jackets. Essential outerwear for anyone who wants dependable protection from the elements, whether you're hiking through wet trails, commuting in the city, or planning outdoor adventures. A great rain jacket not only keeps you dry but also delivers breathability, lightweight comfort, and packability, so you stay comfortable no matter how long the storm lasts. In this video, we'll walk through some of the top rain jackets available, comparing their waterproof ratings, materials, fit, and overall performance, so you can find the perfect rain gear that matches your lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. For those who want a dependable all-purpose rain jacket that's easy to carry and doesn't weigh you down, the waterproof lightweight packable rain jacket is a versatile choice that fits into any adventurer's pack. Designed with lightweight, waterproof fabric, this jacket keeps rain out while still allowing moisture from sweat to escape, a key factor when hiking, running, or cycling in wet weather. What sets this model apart is its ability to fold down into a compact size, making it travel-friendly and ideal for backpacking or commuting when space is limited. The adjustable hood and cuffs help seal out gusts and drizzle, and the minimalist design focuses on simple, no-nonsense protection without bulk. Users often appreciate the balance between performance and portability, noting that it's easy to deploy at the first sign of rain and simple to stow when skies clear. If you need a go-anywhere, pack-anywhere rain jacket that prioritizes comfort and mobility, this lightweight, packable option checks a lot of boxes. Next on our list is the Columbia Men's Glenacre Rain Jacket, a dependable choice from a brand known for outdoor performance gear. Columbia has a long history of creating durable rainwear that holds up to real-world conditions, and the Glenacre lives up to that reputation with excellent waterproofing and breathability. Featuring Columbia's proprietary materials and seam-sealed construction, this jacket blocks out rain effectively without sacrificing airflow, making it great for long walks, weekend hikes, or city commutes during wet seasons. The adjustable hood and secure zip pockets add convenience, while the jacket's cut provides a comfortable fit without restricting movement. Many users praise the Glenacre for its reliable protection and value, as it performs well in heavy rain but still packs down compactly when you don't need it. Whether you're hiking trails or navigating urban storms, the Columbia Men's Glenacre Rain Jacket delivers balanced performance and trustworthy protection. If you prefer a jacket with a slightly sportier cut and solid windproof capability in addition to waterproofing, the Breathable Men's Waterproof Windproof Rain Jacket is a strong contender. Built with durable materials that stand up to wind and rain alike, this jacket is designed to shield you from harsher weather conditions without sacrificing comfort. The windproof design helps block chilling gusts, while the fully waterproof outer keeps rain out, a combination that's especially valuable on exposed trails, coastal hikes, or blustery outdoor activities. Users often highlight the jacket's ergonomic fit, adjustable hood, and secure zip closures that help keep both wind and water at bay. Its breathability also manages internal moisture well during exertion, making it a reliable choice for hikers who want a jacket that transitions from light rain to heavier storms without losing comfort. Whether you're backpacking or simply walking to work on a blustery morning, the Breathable Rain Jacket balances weather protection and comfort. For outdoor enthusiasts and active users who want a rain jacket that performs well across a variety of activities, the Windbreaker for Outdoor Activities Rain Jacket earns its place as a versatile, multi-purpose layer. This jacket isn't just waterproof. It's designed with active movement in mind, combining breathability with stretch panels or articulated seams that allow for greater mobility during hiking, climbing, or backpacking. Its lightweight design keeps you agile, while taped seams and waterproof zippers help block out moisture so that rain never penetrates the jacket's protective shell. Many users appreciate how well this jacket handles turns on the trail, morning runs, or cross-country treks where flexibility and weather resistance are both essential. It's often favored by hikers and outdoor athletes who don't want to compromise between protection and performance. If your rain jacket needs to handle dynamic movement and unpredictable weather equally well, this outdoor-ready windbreaker is built to respond to both. At the top of our list is the High-Vis Safety Waterproof Rain Jacket, a standout choice for anyone who values protection and visibility in low light or heavy rain. This jacket combines waterproof construction with high-visibility accents, reflective elements, and safety-oriented design features that make you easier to see during fog, heavy storms, or nighttime conditions. Whether you're working outdoors, cycling in rainy weather, or walking along busy roadways, the high visible colors and reflective tape add an extra layer of safety that goes beyond basic rain protection. The waterproof membrane and sealed seams ensure you stay dry, while adjustable cuffs, hoods, and drawcord hems help keep weather out. Users appreciate how this jacket provides both protection and peace of mind. You're not only shielded from rain, but you're also much easier to spot in low visibility. If safety, visibility, and all-weather durability are your priorities, the high-vis safety waterproof rain jacket delivers robust performance with extra assurance for anyone braving the elements. When choosing the right rain jacket, consider factors like waterproof rating, breathability, weight, packability, and additional features like adjustable hoods, storm flaps, and visibility accents. A lightweight packable jacket is great for travel and changing weather, while a brand-trusted model like the Columbia Glenacre offers reliable all-around performance. Sport-oriented options like the Repos windproof jacket and the outdoor windbreaker deliver greater mobility and wind resistance. And choosing a high-vis safety jacket brings added protection for working or walking in low-light conditions. And that wraps up our review of the best rain jackets available today. Which rain jacket would you trust on your next wet weather adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest gear reviews. Be sure to check the description for current deals so you can snag the perfect rain jacket for your needs today. Thanks for watching.